Framer's April 2024 update introduced a native masking feature, making it easy to hide or reveal layers like images, videos, or components with just a few clicks. The simplest method is using the native mask tool. Select the layer you want to mask, then go to the Styles panel on the right and find the mask option. You can choose from several mask types: alpha gradient, which fades content based on transparency; luminance, which uses pixel brightness to define visibility; or image/SVG, where you can import an SVG, PNG, or GIF to serve as the mask shape. Once selected, you can adjust sliders to control direction, intensity, and rotation, giving you precise control over how your content is revealed. For simpler effects, such as text reveals, you can use container-based masking. Create a parent frame, place your content inside it, and set the parent's overflow property to hidden. This hides anything outside the container boundaries and works well for sliding or animated reveals. For more advanced designs, you can combine masking with interactive effects. For example, use scroll transform to link the mask's size or position to the page scroll, creating dynamic reveal on scroll animations. You can also experiment with blending modes or use liquid mask components to create organic hover or cursor effects. This native masking system gives designers powerful, flexible tools to create both subtle and highly interactive visual effects directly in Framer.